Good morning. My name is Khadija Khan. I am studying class 1A. Today is 25th September 2024 and the day is Wednesday. We are starting our presentation with the name of Allah. Now I am inviting Zayan for Kirat.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Motto of the day, I am inviting Roman.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. This is the third of the day. Every day must be the day to learn something new. Thank you.
Now we are starting our presentation. The topic is importance of book reading. Nowadays we love to use gadgets rather than reading books. So today some books are with me to tell you about their importance. Let's read them.
I help you to solve different number problems, identify shapes, telling time, and developing mathematics skills. Thank you.
Hello, I am reading this book. I help you in improving your language skills and reading and creative skills which helps you in your life. Thank you.
Hello, I am Samia's book. I give you the basic Islamic knowledge which helps you to be a good Muslim. Thank you. Hello, I am a science book. I provide you the basic logic of daily life. My content are plant animal electric, plant animal sources, light and electricity. Thank you.
मैं उर्दू की किताब हूँ. मैं आपको उससे तहजीब दरकार डालती और उसको पढ़ना चाहती हूँ. मैं आपकी कौमी जबान भी हूँ. मुझे दिलचस्पी से पढ़ाते रहे. थैंक यू.
book I provide you basic social knowledge and concepts of history and geography. Thank you.
Hello, I am a storybook. I different stories for reading in your bedtime and net. Yours can good message for me. Thank you.
Let's make a promise today that utilize at least 1 hour with our books every day. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Be quiet, boys. Turn
This wonderful presentation is given by Little Stars of Grade 1 and this presentation is prepared by Ms. Sana Dishan. Give a huge round of applause for the class and the teachers. Nice message they have given you about the books and their importance. I hope you understand and just try your level best to appreciate these students and implement this message in your practical life.